In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first. To create a subtask in Jira, you need to log into your Jira account. This is where we begin. So go ahead and open your preferred browser, navigate to the Jira login page, and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be presented with a dashboard that showcases your projects and tasks. Now, once you're in, the next step is to open your project. This is crucial because subtasks are specific to the tasks within a project. On the dashboard, you should see a list or grid of your active projects. Click on the project you wish to work on. Take a moment to ensure you are in the correct project. This will save you time and ensure you're adding the subtask where it needs to be. Now that you're inside your project, the next step is to head to the backlog. This is where you'll find all the tasks that haven't yet been completed. You'll want to locate the specific task where you'd like to add your subtask. It might help to scroll a bit, depending on how many tasks you have piled up. Once you find the right task, go ahead and select it. This is the centerpiece for creating a subtask. After selecting your task, you should see a section specifically for subtask beneath it. Typically, there's an Add Subtask button or link right there. Click on it, and you will now be prompted to name your subtask. Naming it appropriately is essential. Choose something that clearly identifies what the subtask is about, as this makes managing and tracking easier down the line. Once you've given your subtask a suitable name, the next step is simple. You'll want to click on the Enter icon to create your subtask officially. How gratifying it is to see that pop up as you hit Enter. It indicates that your subtask has been generated and is ready for you to work on. If everything has gone correctly, you should now see your newly created subtask listed under the main task. This is a great visual representation of how you can break larger tasks into manageable pieces. It's an effective way to maintain organization and clarity in your project workflow. So just to recap, the process of creating a subtask in Jira involves logging into your account, navigating to your desired project, selecting the appropriate task from your backlog, clicking Add Subtask, naming your subtask, and finally pressing the Enter icon to finalize the creation. It's a straightforward process once you understand the steps involved. I hope this video has been helpful in explaining how to create a subtask in Jira. Subtasks are a fantastic way to improve your task management and keep your projects running smoothly. If you have any questions or need clarification on any specific step, feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to help you out further. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this tutorial. Your support goes a long way in helping me create more useful content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your task management in Jira. Happy organizing!